Gracie's falling asleep in the sun over there.
Yeah.
Is she shaking or is that you moving her?
I'm not. She's not shaking. She's sniffing. She's not shaking. She's really warm though. She's not panting.
Think she's liking it though?
Yep.
Her eyes are getting,
Look at her.
Her eyes are getting heavy.
Just our baby. Oh.
Let me see if she falls asleep.
Oh. You're gonna burn. You're gonna burn, baby. There you go.
Alright, I gotta read how to start this generator up.
Oh,
now they got gas and oil in it. I don't even know how to start it. Stupid, huh?
Here, let me hold that.
I got a book here. Are you gonna tell them why we were wanting to test this generator? You were wanting to say yesterday.
You told them.
Not really.
Tell them where we're going, baby.
Crazy. We're going crazy.
Tell them where we're going at the end of December, the first week of March.
End of December.
I'm in February. I need to go back to sleep. Okay. So for Christmas, Troy got us a trip to Disney World. We will be going to Disney World February 27th, the first week of March. We're bringing our camper. We're staying at Fort Wilderness Resort. We're going to all 4 parks. We're going to do a park a day. It's going to be my first time. Troy's been there. Baby, when did you go? When you were a kid?
A long time ago, back when that space shuttle blew up with that teacher on it, Christy McCullough. That's when I was there last. A long time ago. I want to say that was what, 80, 85, 84? I don't know.
So we are going to have a good time. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm super excited. Gracie will get to come, obviously not inside of the park, but she'll be close by. We come check on her throughout the day. Should be exciting, so stay tuned.
Got to turn it on.
It's gonna be loud. First time starting it. Sounds good. Watch for poop. Look.
Yep, microwave turned back on. I think this is probably electricity now. Try the air conditioner. That's the biggest test. Oh.
We're practicing for our boondocking experience that's going to take place on their way to Disney. You'll see.
See if the air conditioner works.
Cool! Baby, are you satisfied so far?
Water heater, put a lot of stress on it. And if it can do all this, we're good.
Oh, it sounds bad.
Log now. But there's a water heater. That's Aaron.
That's Troy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Like us and share us.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Oh, that's Gracie.
No, we gotta do that. Why'd I say thanks? I wanted to say thanks for watching. Did we say thanks for watching?
It's good enough. You don't want to be too professional.